Welcome to Yen Kitchen at Home. Today we'll show you how to steam a fish without a fishy smell. Slice the ginger. Pound the ginger in the mortar and pestle. Make sure inside of the fish is clean. Score the fish both sides. Squeeze the ginger juice onto the fish, including inside of the fish. Put the ginger on the plate under the fish and marinate for 20. Heat the steamer, steam for 8 minutes. Eight minutes later, cut and slice the ginger and put into the water. Drain out the water. Chop the tomato for garnish. Spring onion. The red chili for garnish. Sliced carrots in the water and drain. Now the fish sauce is half tablespoon of the raw sugar, 1 tablespoon of the steamed fish soy sauce, and 4 tablespoons of the water, and mix it well. Or heat the pot. Start to put the ginger, sliced ginger in. Continue to fry on a low heat until it turns golden brown and ready for garnish later. Then we also heat the fish soy sauce. Finally, we garnish the fish with the fried ginger, carrot, chili, and also the onion, and also the sliced tomato on the side, and also pour the fish soy sauce onto the fish and ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like my video, and click notification for the latest video to be notified.